Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, let's do this RankOnAI review. So right now we are on the sales page. It says here, get your website mentioned inside the AI answers from ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, and every major AI engine. Your customers stopped Googling and started asking AI. RankOnAI makes sure that when they do, the answer says your name, no paid ads, no SEO grind, and no guesswork. Okay. So some things are true here, all right, because they're saying that people have stopped Googling. I am one of them. I don't Google anymore. I mean, my routine is that I open my laptop, I open my tabs, whatever I have to work on. I open all the tabs, and then along with that, I keep my AI, ChatGPT, whatever AI you use. I keep that open all the time. As long my laptop is on, ChatGPT is on. I mean, it's bad, I guess, in a way. It's bad for generations to come that you will be mentally paralyzed and your brains will not work. For example, you have to calculate 11 into 11. Now you have to go to ChatGPT. I'm not talking about myself, but imagine, nobody will know maths, nobody will know English, nobody will know anything. You will just ask ChatGPT. So AI looks fancy to me. I mean, AI looks fancy to everybody as of now, but the truth is, 100 years from here on, 200 years from here on, your generations will be a slave to AI. That's just the truth. So I'll do the review in a moment. Let me digest this because yes, we are enjoying AI right now. It's new thing to us, so we're excited and all of that. Okay, but it's dangerous to the planet. Too much power consumption by AI, data sources, and everything else. And on top of that, future generations will be mentally paralyzed because they will not know what to do. You know, I have studied in the era where we had books and pencils and pens. I'm not that old, I'm 36 only, but I remember pen, pencil, copy, books, you write manually from your hands and fingers. That era is gone, and that study and that mind is gone. People will be mentally paralyzed in the coming future. Let's get back to the review. So I can't save humanity, unfortunately. But if you want to get onto the sales page, rank on AI, I'll talk about what this is. And every time I see things online or you related to AI, I just can't stop myself. There are pros and cons. All we see right now are pros. Fancy things using AI. At the same time, we are just destroying planet Earth and we're destroying the brains of our children. But anyways, I can't do much. You can't do much. So, rank on AI, this will help you with something. I will tell you with what. But if you want to get to the sales page, first things first, you will go below my video somewhere here. It will be saying grab, what is the name? Grab rank on AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page right here. Okay. And if you want my AI launches, so you can click on check out all my Warrior Plus products here. Click on this link and I will be launching more AI products which will be updated here. For now, I am going to give you this review to profit AI. If you want to check out my review to profit AI, which is launching on 5th of June, you can click on this Warrior Plus product, come here and then click here and then go to the sales page and check out my review to profit, which looks like this. You see, you can generate affiliate review campaigns using the software. More details you can find on the sales page and also the demo video. Coming back to Rank on AI, what does it do? Well, as I said that I also do not use Google anymore to search anything until unless I can't find this on ChatGPT or some other AI software. So I also use AI now for anything to search. Back in old days, we used to use Google for everything, right? So what the concept behind Rank on AI is that when people search something in ChatGPT or Grok or some other AI, sometimes it recommends the websites of people. The ChatGPT will recommend website. Now, it can be your website. So, how to make sure that your website also ranks inside AI, inside ChatGPT, inside Grok, inside this, inside that. Okay, not only on Google, but it should rank on inside the AI search engine too these days. So when you call ChatGPT, it's the AI search engine now. Okay, Google is just like a normal internet search engine, and this chat gpt group and perplexity gemini, all these things are AI search engines now. Okay, so this software rank on AI, you can watch this video, but I guess you'll have demo video will be updated later on. So this is launching on 7th of June. I'm doing an early review 2 days before, so I don't have the demo video, but you will probably find the demo video on the sales page when you come here by 7th of June. So this will cost you $17 to start with. And how this works, so you see, that's what I was talking about, that it recommends these websites. You search for something and these websites will show up. Now, why your website is not showing up here, that's the question, and how to optimize your website so that your AI engine can start recommending your website. Okay, now this software is going to analyze your website first and give the score to your website from 1 to 100. So once this rank on AI software analyzes your website and checks what are the areas of improvements, and once it makes the changes to your website or suggests that you have to make these changes to your website, after that it will improve the optimization score, and then those what do you call, those improvements will enhance your website or give the chance to your website to rank in AI search engine. That is the concept altogether. Okay, so step one is add your website in the software and it analyzes everything. Okay, and then get your score and fix it. So get your score above 90 at least, So it will show you what improvements you have to make, and get your score above 90 to make sure it's going to give a chance to your website to rank in AI. And then you go and keep repeating the process. Okay, so I guess that's all about it. And you can again click the link below which says grab rank on AI copy, then come to the sales page, and you can check out everything in your own time. It's a very lengthy sales page, and if you see the demo video right here, go and play it. Okay, you can go and play that video and also see how this works. They will show you exactly step by step. And to start with, it's $17. Let's see if we have some question answers, so you will get these bonuses anyway. All right, so one-time price front end will be $17, 5 websites covered, and the whole bundle will be for $197. Okay, so if you want to buy the whole funnel, $197, and you can get this discount coupon of $2. Okay, so you use save2 as a coupon code and you will get $2 off. You can get this in $15, the front end. So we have 2 weeks of money guarantee, and then we have question answer. So what exactly is rank on AI? I already have done the explaining to you that how you can rank inside the AI engines these days. How many websites? 5 websites you can get in the front end. Do I need to be technical? Of course not. Is this a one-time price for now? Yes. Will it work with my website? Of course it will. What if it doesn't work for me? You have 2 weeks of refund. Will the AI rewritten content sound generic for off brand? No. And this is what sets rank on apart. So you go and watch the demo video. When does the launch price ends? Then it rises to 21. So go and buy it as soon as possible using the discount coupon which I gave you, say 2. You will say how fast will I see results? So it depends how fast your website is optimized and ranked by AI. Okay, so can I choose which AI powers rank on AI? Yes, you can choose OpenAI or Cloud. So go through the training and then optimize your website, and that's how you give your website a chance to get ranked inside ChatGPT or Cloud or Perplexity. There are too many as nowadays. Okay, so I guess that's all. And then do we have some OTOs? That's it. So this is the front end. You will get all of this in front end. You can pause the video and read everything on the screen. Then we have OTO 1, which is $27, I guess, or maybe 67 here. So this is the bump price per front end. So after $17, it will go back to 27. Then OTO 1 is for $67. Go and read everything here, what you will be getting in this. Okay. And then we have what? We have downsell, I guess. So 37 OTO 2, and then OTO 3 is for 197 agency license. Okay, read everything here. OTO 4 is rank on AI reseller 297, and rank on all access bundle 197. Okay, and go and read these things. That's all, I guess. So you can pick and choose whatever you need. You can upgrade, and if not, then you can just go and buy the front end. So let's do a quick recap. I have explained to you the pros and cons of AI already, and nothing is in your control. Nothing is in my control. The world has to end like this, and our future will be ruined. We can enjoy as much we like AI, but the truth is AI is making people mentally paralyzed and physically paralyzed too, because you want everything automated now, right? I don't know. You may agree, you may disagree with me, but I know what I'm talking about. So what we got here? If you want to go and grab rank on AI, go and click the link below and grab rank on AI from me using my link, and you will get those bonuses as well, which we discussed in the beginning. Okay, and go and watch this demo video as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about how do I make money using these methods. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number 1, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, So second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis. So your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month recurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this Swing Like a Pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.